welcome back to ChatTimeWithJulia. I made a glittery glow-in-the-dark slime. Well, actually my plan was to just make a glittery slime, but then I couldn't find a glitter glue, and so I just got the closest one I found to glitter, and that was the glow-in-the-dark. And if you haven't watched it, I'll leave it here in this eye. So now we're gonna make a regular glittery slime. I got my big bowl because we're gonna make a slime smoothie at the end. And my spatula. Slime smoothie, you make 2 slimes and then you mix them together to make the biggest I've ever had of glue. So I'm gonna open it and let's pour. So here it is. I'm gonna do this much for now. See if it's okay. We're gonna pour some activator. And as I said, guys, only add a bit by bit. This is my favorite part when mixing activator and glue. It just kind of forms together into the slimy texture that you guys want. Oops. Let's mix it, guys. So guys, as you can see, it's starting to turn into a slime. This part, I like it. Is it just me or does slime smell good? Only if you add scent, but we're not adding scent today. Although I do have scent. So my plan is to make one side yellow and the other side regular and white. I wanted to make it a pineapple scent for Ella. Okay guys, so I don't think the activator's enough. I'm gonna pour all of it. Guys, I put too much glue and my activator's so little. But yeah, let's hope that there's activator right now in the store near our house. Yeah, it just don't like the texture, guys. It's so sticky. We poured some activator into the glue, and guys, look, I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's not so clicky because I think I added too much activator. But it's okay. I will add a bit more glue later. This is the perfect texture already. It's so glossy. Ready it is. So beautiful. So here's the final slime. It's such a nice texture. And it's so glossy. I love it. Oh guys, did you hear that? I think you should try that ASMR. I made it up. You guys, the most famous ASMR now is the tennis racket. When you put it on slime, you lift it and then put it back down. When you squish it, it makes the most satisfying sound. So guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna make a slime smoothie. So I'm gonna split this into pieces. Now I'm gonna add yellow food coloring. But first I'm gonna turn this into this one. A bit of yellow. Whoa. That's cool. Mix. Ooh, so pretty. Guys, look. It looks like a sunset for some reason. Make it a little pastel yellow. Get all that yellow in there. Oh, I didn't make a bubble. Sad life. But it's okay. I can make another bubble if I can. Yeah, bubble! Turned into this nice pastel yellow. Not too green, not too yellow. It's just the perfect kind of yellow. That was enough yellow. I am gonna add regular glitters now. No glow in the dark, not anything special, just glitters. And I know glitter is special to some of you guys. Whoa, that was cool. Guys, listen to this. Okay, now I'm gonna add glitter. Which one do you guys think suits this slime more? It's like my friend, and she loves pineapple, so I wanted to make this a pineapple slime by adding green glitter so it looks like the leaves of the pineapple. And this one, it looks close to a pineapple, right guys? Yeah. Okay, let's start. Make a bowl for my green glitter. I'm gonna name this Pineapple Crunch. Pineapple Party. Gonna get my scissors. Gonna cut a tiny piece. And add it. Pineapple Party. Looks so cool, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna add this much for now. And see how that goes. Sparkly! You guys can see it from here, like it's so beautiful. The heck guys, this is so beautiful. Guys, look, it looks like a pineapple now. Those green glitters represent the leaves. I'm gonna call this a pineapple party. Okay guys, so this is one of my slimes. It looks so beautiful. Now we're gonna work on the other half. So guys, I'm going to make slime smoothie at the end. I said that already. Now I'm gonna add some green glitter to this. It's so pretty. I love this green glitter. This is the one without coloring, guys. This is not pineapple party. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. Guys, now I'm gonna mix. Watch this. Guys, look. It feels so cool. I'm gonna call this Rainbow. It's not really a rainbow, but still slime. Oh yeah, I wanna name this Forest. Guys, look, it really looks like a forest. There's the land and then the green particles, the glitter, and the trees. Now that I've added the green for the forest, I'm gonna add more green. Just kidding. I'm gonna add iridescent glitter the moment. Since this is a white slime, you might not notice the iridescent glitter, but I'm still gonna add it because the iridescent is just special. Guys, this forest needs some pretty invisible white flowers. So I'm gonna make a bowl in the middle again. Whoa. Guys, this looks like salt. Like this video if you think this looks like salt. Okay. It's so pretty though. This seriously looks like salt. It looks like crystals. Oh! Whoops. I spilled it all. Guys, now I can see a bit of white in there. Yeah. It's named Forest with white flowers. Whoa. Okay guys, so now it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm excited to see what this is gonna turn out into, guys. So, I'm gonna put them side by side, like this. Mix. Guys, let's mix. This looks like a pineapple party forest thing. Forest pineapple. Most beautiful ever. This is so beautiful, guys. Swirl, swirly, swirly. Okay, guys, you might not see it, but it's whitish. It's a really nice pastel yellow. Like, I love it so much. This is the end product. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna name this Pineapple Forest. Or Forest Pineapple. Forest Pineapple sounds good. So, here it is. Don't mind my swirl, guys. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Bye.